Good morning babes, Glammedblondie here for the next challenge. So I've seen all over TikTok all of these contour trends and I just thought,
why shouldn't I do this?
why? We're gonna do this. Also, we have a bonus tip here at the end of the video, which is almost a hack for this makeup that we are gonna do today, but you will only see it if you will stay until the end. Until the end. Until the end. I have many voices, but I don't know. So let's jump in because life is too short. So we're gonna see some TikToks that I chose and we'll choose one which we are gonna do today. So let's just watch them. I like this one with these points, but okay, this looks so good. But I wanna see what I still have here. But this might be one that we're gonna do. Okay, this is also with circles, but they are bigger circles. This one, I don't know what to say about this. Okay, so about this one, I already did a video and we are waiting to edit it with this. I still have one left, so let's see the last one. My god, I love her lips. Okay, this looks like a total mess, so we're gonna do this one because I like mess and this is like a beautiful mess, so we're gonna do this because who doesn't like a beautiful mess? A beautiful mess with glitter on it, like sprinkles of glitter. Let's go, let's go. So I know that all the girls are doing these hacks with cream contours and so I know that all these girls on TikTok are using cream contours and things like this, but today I will show you how to do it at the end of this video. I know that some of you might not have it, or maybe you just prefer powder bronzer, so just keep on watching till the end of this video to find out how to create this if you want. So we're gonna start with a shade that is a little bit darker for me. We're gonna put some here too. It's so satisfying, this sound. It's so satisfying. I don't know. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, let me take some more and put it here. I feel like I'm painting my face right now. Now let's take this shade. It has an undertone. It has a warmer tone. Sorry. Oh my god, these stupid neighbors with their dog that is barking all day and all night. All day, all night, like that song. Really, all day and all night. They are just, I don't know what to do with them, honestly. What the fuck, neighbors? Okay, now that we're looking so beautiful, we're gonna put some dots here too, because why not? We're gonna put some here. I don't know, I just love these hacks because they are always so like out of nowhere, I don't know. And one day you are just doing your makeup like a normal person And on the next day you are just looking like a clown when you are doing this, and it's satisfying sometimes, and it's so funny and hilarious when you just scare people because they don't know what you are doing here, and you are just like clowning yourself here, and they are like looking at you. Oh my god, it's really cute. Oh my god, this color is so cute. I will put some on my nose too, because why not? The most satisfying part for me is this one, because I don't know, I just love when I'm applying some shade that is so lighter. I mean, just look at this one. So light. And I want to make a heart here because we want positivity and love in our life, so why not? Why not to draw a heart? We're gonna add a little bit of pink here too, because
We are strong.
oh my god, who would like take me seriously when I'm looking like this right now? No one, because who does that? Oh, that's so cute right here. We're gonna blend this beautiful thing, this beauty painting. This is a Picasso art painting, I swear.
Pablo Picasso.
And now the most satisfying part. Let's blend this beauty. And we're gonna start from here. Now we're blending this. Now we're blending. Now we're blending. If you wanna see how I'm making this glowy spray that I just put on my face some seconds ago, just let me know in the comments, because I will do it. Because it's a really nice thing to have in your makeup bag, or how to call it. What do you think, guys? How it looks till now? I feel a little bit orange right now, but we'll see at the end. I hope I didn't put too much of that rosy shade, because my face, it looks a little bit rosy. I mean pinkish. So we're finally done with this, and this looks kinda nice, honestly. I mean, I felt a little bit like looking a little bit orange, but I don't really mind. I mean, it looks cute, it looks great, it looks nice, and it works. It really works. So now the bonus tip from me for this video is that I made all of these shades that you saw on my face with only foundation plus eyeshadows, because it works. And if you don't have that cream contour, you can just do this and it works. As you can see, it works really well. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job, and now we are looking fabulous. If you like this makeup that we did today, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to find my cat.